Never
Okay.
have I ever.
Oh no. We'll skip this question.
No.
हम किसी को मुंह दिखाने के लायक नहीं रहे.
I think we're just going to lose friends after this. No, it was only once and I don't do it now.
Once a cheater, always a cheater.
Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. As you can see, I am not alone in today's video. Sahil is
Hello.
there. So today we are going to play a fun game called Never Have I Ever. So
No. I don't like this game at all. इज्जत और reputation जो कमाया है.
okay, so basically for those who don't know what this game is, there are going to be some questions that I'm going to throw. We both have to answer whether we have or have not done that particular thing. So I have printed out this. I have certain questions here with me. I did not tell Sahil what those questions are because I wanted the reaction to be completely genuine. So without wasting much time, let's get into this game. But before that, if you are here for the first time or if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would highly appreciate if you could just take a moment and click on that red subscribe button below and the bell icon next to it. I keep making such fun videos on lifestyle, food, travel, inspirational videos. So if you like such kind of videos, then please do consider subscribe.
Please subscribe and say I have subscribed.
I forgot this, that we need to tell the truth in this game. You have to like take that oath. जो भी कहूँगा सच कहूँगा.
हमेशा सच ही कहता हूँ. My mom will disagree.
So these are questions. So you have to say never have I ever and then whatever it is. Never have I ever snooped into each other's phone without them knowing.
1, 2.
You have not?
You have?
Yeah.
When?
We both generally don't look into each other's phones or social media or anything.
You don't trust me, I trust her.
In these 4.5 years that we have been married, I have snooped into your phone twice and I have come clean and told you. I have told
I
you.
think she has yours. Okay.
Okay, so that was fun.
Not bad question. No? It's okay, I can take it. Never have I ever been in a physical fight.
1, 2, 3. Really? When?
I have, but I was on the receiving end.
What was it? What happened? What did you do?
I didn't do anything. In fact, I didn't have any idea. You know, whenever we go to school, there will be kind of groups. So this group of guys just came and they started beating us. We had no idea what happened or what was happening actually. Just मार खा लिया हम लोग ने कि मार खा लिया अभी चुप बैठो किसी को बताओ मत.
Was it like that Josh ka Bichu gang?
That kind of
Mafia
Bichu.
school you were in?
Yeah, but yeah, I was in a physical fight.
Whoa. Okay, next.
I think you should pick.
Never have I ever peed in a pool. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you are so lying if you say you have not.
No. It is gross. और जब भी मैं स्विमिंग पूल के अंदर उतरता हूँ, this is like back of my mind. And now मेरे बाजू में जो बैठी है.
No, it was only once and I don't do it now. बहुत पहले यार school time में था. Yeah, I am disgusting. So don't make it conscious. Blast from the past.
It's
I
gross,
say,
but I have never done it.
I once did back at school, so that's fine. I'm sure all my school friends will forgive me.
Okay.
Never have I ever.
Lied about height, weight, or age.
Okay, I need to hear this.
I have lied about my height. I think it's genuine because I didn't know my height myself.
That is not lying. That is just that you didn't know. Lie. Did you lie?
So then in that case, I'm too good for this game. I'm like very nice person, I guess. No? I actually lied, yeah. I lied. I have a lot of time.
See?
So I knew my height and everything. So whenever girls used to ask you what is your height, I'll just say like
Oh, to impress them.
6'5".
I am 5 not even 5'2", I'm 5'1.5", you could say. Now I'm like okay with my height and all that, but during school, all my other friends were like growing and I just got stuck in that height. Hota hai na, after summer vacation, suddenly girls used to like grow up and I was the same. So during, I remember this particular thing, during assembly line, wo height order you have to stand, and before summer vacation, I remember I was second. I was like, theek hai, still second. And after summer vacation, that girl grew. And I was like, I had to be first. And we stood next to each other. And she was a little taller, but I stood... I raised up a little bit in my shoes itself so that no one would know. I fought my way to become the second in the line.
I never had to do it because I'm 6'5".
Stop it. Get some help.
Never
Okay.
have I ever.
Oh no. We'll skip this question.
No.
Never have I ever farted and blamed it on someone else.
1, 2, 3. We are such disgusting people.
हम किसी को मुंह दिखाने के लायक नहीं रहे.
You go first, your story.
I always blame it on my brother. I used to always.
Sorry, Sagar. You had to take one for the team.
And I think at sometimes he didn't even complain because I think
He had his doubts.
मेरे को लग रहा है शायद से मैं ही था. I think a lot of people do it.
No.
You did it.
Always नहीं था. मेरा एक ही बार था स्कूल में. Yeah, I was in 6th standard or something like that. 6th standard, 7th standard. If you guys remember, like during school, we had to like sit with somebody, right? So there was this guy who was like really talkative. So the teacher actually made me sit next to him so that he doesn't talk. We were not even friends, and I didn't know that it would stink.
Oh God.
Only he could smell it, like nobody else in the class or anything. And he said, "Chee, you farted." And I said, "No, you did." जिसने मेरे को पूछा, उसी को मैंने blame किया. मेरा intelligence level का तो मानना पड़ेगा.
But I think it's normal.
जो तुम करते हो ना, वो हमेशा normal.
I say farting is normal. Blaming it on others is a very wrong thing. I'll still blame it on Sagar. It's
You
on
continue to be his victim. Never have I ever put on earphones just to avoid talking to people.
me.
1, 2, 3. Ulta.
If anyone is, trying to be एकदम ज़्यादा too talkative या बहुत ही ज़्यादा बात कर रहा है, मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोर हो रहा है, I'll just put on my earphones and I would say कि यार मुझे कॉल है.
I know this. So earlier, like during our dating days, I remember that once we were chatting at night, and we were not even dating back then. We were just friends, we were just friends who had like kind of interest in each other. At one point, he told me that I'm feeling very sleepy. I want to sleep. And then I got to know later on, like when we started getting comfortable with each other, he actually did not want to go to sleep. He actually wanted to watch a football match.
I still do it if it's a football match.
मेरे साथ वापस किया है.
If she's coming and disturbing me and if it's a football match, then I'll just shut off. So automatically वो बंद हो जाता है सामने.
Yeah, football is my sotan. Okay, so next. Never have I ever.
Next question. Never have I ever.
Okay, this is actually 18 plus.
आज मेरे मॉम डैड के सामने जो मेरा भगवान राम का स्टेटस है वो बर्बाद होने वाला है. बर्बाद. Okay. Never have I ever come home lost.
1, 2, 3. There's not going to be any khulasa in my house because my parents know everything and you know how I am with them.
Yeah, for me, I think it was college time. I think first time I had whiskey. वो एक जोश होता है right कि college में है पी रहे. So you feel कि I'm able to take it. So ऐसा होते suddenly it just kicks in and you are like gone. And at that particular stage, I was supposed to go home. So I was thinking that I'm walking straight, I'm proper, and it's gonna be fine. And my friends were playing cricket. दूर से they just saw me And they were like, "Are you drunk?" Then somehow I just went to my friend's place, you know, सब जगह Dio लगाया, and then I was like कि मैं जाऊँगा घर पे, rang the bell, and I was like straight faced. I was thinking कि mom को नहीं पता चले, and it was everything was fine, you know, everything जैसे मैंने सोचा था उसी तरह से हो रहा है. Had dinner, everything was fine. Mom को कुछ पता नहीं चला, शक नहीं हुआ. Dad went off to sleep, everything was fine. I went to my bedroom and I was sleeping, and जैसे ही मैं सोया I just puked. जैसे ही मैं puke करके अपना face ऊपर किया, the bedroom lights were on and my mom was on the door and she was like looking at me.
Oh my God.
And I don't know what I should tell, what reason I should give at that moment, and I was like, please God, please. The one thing she said was, you clean that up. And she just left. Yeah, so that was the day when I was like caught actually.
So there were other times
Yes,
also.
lost. But then you get experienced, right? And then you know ki kitna, and then how you can come home.
There's a phase when you know you kind of don't know your limits and then you just want to like experiment and all those things.
Yeah.
Not that we are advocating that to any of the children who are watching this. So
Please.
there's a disclaimer.
Please don't drink
Please.
at home.
No. That's wrong. That's a wrong message.
Or outside.
Please, no. Please drink responsibly.
Okay. Please drink
Responsibly.
responsibly. Yeah. Okay. Next question.
So, never have I ever gone 3 days straight without taking a bath. Oh, seriously, 3 days? Sahil, 3 days?
4 days actually.
You! I thought I was disgusting.
Winter time, it's okay, right? Not
No,
okay.
it's not okay.
It's
मतलब
okay.
एक दिन ठीक है, but 4 दिन
I
is
used to
too
do it
much.
vacation time and you are lying on your couch playing video game. Time किसके पास है बॉस नहाने के लिए?
Stinky.
I smell good always.
Okay. I have never like gone 3 days. Maybe like a day. Yeah, 1
I
day
know
or
she
something.
2
One-
days. I have seen you 48 hours. I think hers is 48 hours. इसलिए उसने question ऐसा बनाया कि 3 days.
I think we're just going to lose friends after this
Yeah.
video.
We're gonna be lonely couple. Next question. Never have I ever gossip about each other behind their back.
Okay.
My God, Anu. I think marriage couple के उसमें I'm getting points.
I think, see, I think all girls have done this. If there is a girl who says that they don't gossip about their husbands to their girlfriends or anybody, I think they are
Anybody?
lying. I don't want to generalize.
Please say girlfriends, your best friends, that is fine.
Yeah.
Don't say anybody.
Like I even gossip about you to your mother. बुराई करते हैं तो ये तो होता ही है. I think all girls do it. I mean I don't want to generalize, but I think all girls do it. It's like ठीक है यार, मतलब it's not harmful gossip, but it's good for the relation because I'm venting it out somewhere else. I think ये questions के अलावा भी और भी राज खुल रहे हमारे.
आज हमारे बीच में शाम को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार. I feel every couple should do a never have I ever before marriage. उसके बाद शादी करना है कि नहीं वो सोचो.
Next.
Yeah. Next question is never have I ever cheated in a test exam.
Exam.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God, Anu, come on.
It was only one.
Can you finally see कि हम दोनों में से अच्छा बच्चा कौन है?
I know it might be difficult for you guys to believe me when I say this, but I actually hate cheating in exams and I absolutely do not encourage it. Like deep within, even during my school, I used to not like it. So when I was in my first standard, I think my first standard, I used to be a topper in my class and I was in Kerala and that time for us in first standard, Malayalam was a compulsory subject. For me, it was like quite difficult, but at the same time I wanted to maintain my status of being a topper in the class.
Status.
I came to one place, but I did not know the answer or I did not know how to write. I had to go against all my principles and peep into someone else's answer. I came home and I told my mom that I cheated.
I never tried to cheat because I
Cheat
did not
करके
try.
भी क्या?
नहीं
Fail
I
ही
did
होना
not.
है.
ये fail नहीं हुआ. Topper नहीं हूँ लेकिन top 10. 10.
From below.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, but I cheated only that once, and that too first standard year. मतलब ऐसे भी नहीं कि board में cheat किया या something like
But
that.
once a cheater, always a cheater. Okay, I think
coming
it's
to
the
the-
last question. Finished.
Okay. Never have I ever had a crush on a teacher. 1,
2.
2, 3. Really?
Actually, I did not.
You can't. No.
I don't. Let's see. I'll tell the story and you tell me if it was a crush or what was it.
Okay.
There was this teacher. She was good looking. She used to beat us if you don't do homework. Full marne wali. But the thing is, she liked me. As in, not like. As in, I was her favorite student kind of a thing. So I could make out that she always used to be like soft with me. She'll try to make me understand. बाकी लोग को तो full झापड़ वापड़ ऐसा पड़ता था. I used to be nice. तो अगर रोज डे कुछ होगा स्कूल में, you know, तो I'll
That's so cute.
go and give it to her. She was my favorite teacher. किसी ने पूछा कि who is your favorite teacher, तो मैं उसके बारे में ऐसा 20 लाइन लिख सकता हूँ, kind of a thing. So I don't know if it's a crush.
Which class were you in?
4th or 5th.
That's
5th,
so
I guess it was
sweet.
5th.
Yeah, you can say it's a crush.
I have a crush.
Okay, so yeah, I think this was fun. I got to know things about you.
I
Which
got to know things about you.
sometimes we can be disgusting.
I think jokes apart, it was a fun activity. Maybe we can do a part 2 or something where more secrets we'll try to get.
Okay, so I'm glad that
I liked
you
it.
had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you really liked us.
Even if you don't like us, you can subscribe, it's free.
Yeah, and give us another chance. Yeah, subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe down below and the bell icon next to it. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye.